Hey guys, this is Preston, aka 10,000 Watt Cherokee. Just put the equalizer in about a week ago. As you can see, got the new Droid Aris, I guess you could say. It's my brother's phone. I'm on my Motorola Droid. Put a new box in the trunk. Waiting for the big stuff to come in. Just messing around. Made this the other day. Got the 50 farad hybrid capacitor. Kenwood 1800 watt monoblock and a Pyle 2400 2-channel for the mids and highs. Got some 6x9s, 6.5 in each door, tweeters, 6.5 in the sun visors. Yes, I know it's ghetto, but it sounds amazing. Piezo tweeters in each pillar. They're kind of coming loose because of the bass. And here we go. I'm gonna play Roger That, Screwed by DJ Howie.
Green fix, cornbread in the guts. With the high green kicks, trick or treat in the clutch. Come on, nigga, is you tripping the what? Flow tighter than the dick in the butt. Off the plane, keep that from being cool. With a face, some boobs and being